I can't even talk.
Good morning, everybody. We are just minutes away from running back into one of our favorite ships in the whole world, the Disney Fantasy.
The Fantasy. We are so excited.
We are beyond excited. We overslept a little bit because we had such a late night getting in, but
Ooh, Mama was tired.
we got up, rushed, and had a car service pick us up, and we're just probably 5 minutes from seeing the ship.
Woo! So excited. Cannot wait.
Beyond excited. We made it. We are about to go get our COVID tests.
Yes, praying for negative results.
It will be. It will be. We are going to sneak in behind this massive line. So we're going to go ahead and join them now. Fingers crossed. We're going to let you know after we pass.
Yeah, it's a bit of a process, so it'll take a few, but here we go.
We're in line. We're next
Next, to go behind the black curtain.
to get our nose swiped.
Our brains wiped. More like it.
I hate this part.
Yes.
No, I hate the wait.
It'd be all right.
Well, we did our test, and now we're going to go to set in tent B and wait for the results.
Tent B. This is pretty cool how they have this system set up. It's very organized, moves very quickly. So
And we're going to refresh our email consistently for 45 minutes.
right. And the verdict is.
Clear to sail.
Woo! Yay!
We are clear to sail.
Here we go.
We are all clear to sail. We're just sitting out here enjoying the breeze, super excited, sipping on our water because if we throw it away, that's
Can't bring it with us.
if it's been opened, you can't. If it wasn't open, we could. But just so happy.
It's still unbelievable to me.
No words.
Nope.
And just again, shout out, thank you, because our friends made this possible.
That's right.
We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them.
Forever grateful.
Yeah, so shout out, Todd, Gina, love you. Y'all is so fun because we're running into people that are getting off the ship and they're being so nice. They're like, go have a good time, bon voyage. Y'all gonna have a blast. So,
Super excited.
woo, I'm getting emotional. Now it's so cool though, man. I am so excited. So excited. 30 months. And this is our favorite thing. We love the parks, but it's something about cruising.
It is. It's special.
It's nothing better. We're headed to the Platinum Line, Gavin.
Because we're cool like that.
Well, we spent a lot of money like that.
True.
We are about to walk in, and we have concierge thanks to
Oh, our
Gina and Todd.
great friends. Been
So-
so good to us. We're so excited.
About to walk on for the first time.
Here
Let them go
goes the
first.
walk.
Here we go.
Hey, hit it, Mickey.
Gavin, what you doing? Yeah.
No
What's
words.
that?
No words. No words. Here we go.
Gavin, what you doing? Yeah. What is that? Here we are! Yay! Yeah! Woo! Thank you. We're the McDonald family. Yes.
Woo! everybody.
We're here.
We're finally back on board. There's Mickey. Mickey. Oh my goodness.
Casey, please welcome aboard the Piazza and Lupo family.
I can't even talk.
We're back on board with our family, our friends. These two right here, this one
Yeah.
is what made it possible. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them.
We love y'all.
Love you guys. You deserve it.
They invited. Look,
Can't even talk.
she invited us, and I mean, it gifted this whole experience. Everything that you'll see is a gift. So, God bless you.
Yes.
Did,
From the
did,
bottom of our
did
hearts.
they tell y'all they stay at concierge? They're bougie, y'all.
It's gonna be epic.
I don't even know. I don't know what to say.
Can't
I'm
even.
speechless.
Can't even express it.
We love them. We love you guys.
I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.
Yes,
Thank you.
truly. Thank y'all.
So we're about to take part in concierge lunch. I don't know what it's all about, but really looking forward to it. You ready for lunch, baby?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What you gonna get?
I got some beef empanadas, some seafood and chicken gumbo with cornbread. You want that cornbread? And pasta. I ordered some pasta, so I'm waiting to see.
And I got the empanadas and the cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. What y'all get for lunch?
I don't even remember. What did I order? Beef empanadas
Beef empanadas.
and a tenderloin and welcome aboard Sunday.
What about that cheesecake?
An honor. First of all, I had the cheesecake too. So,
Yeah, everybody get cheesecake?
Yes.
however, I have the potato and leek soup with soda bread, and some penne pasta with extra goat cheese.
I'm so not camera ready.
You know what she wants.
Is your belly full?
Ooh, we had a long, fun lunch with a lot of great conversation.
Yes. It was very yummy.
Now we're gonna go do our mustard drill and go check our room out.
Oh, exciting.
First time ever concierge. They upgraded us. We didn't ask for it. I'm very grateful for it.
Always.
So we're gonna go check out concierge. We are walking in the concierge. The shiny.
Shiny.
Everything is shiny. Go, they're waiting on us. Go, 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 go.
You're gonna hide the eyes. My name is Arno. I'm the one taking care of your room right now. I left you.
Goosebumps.
Come on. I'll be back. I'm speechless. It's almost time to sail away.
Woo!
On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
20.
First time sailing away in 30 months. I am beyond stoked.
Yay!
We got a couple of younglings here that we're trying to keep up with. But we are just,
So excited.
we've been to our room. We got a concierge 1-bedroom, which was amazing. We,
Absolutely stunning.
we unpacked and we've been kind of just being speechless, living in the moment.
Yes.
But now we're about to sail away and
Woo!
have some
Listen to
fun.
Music.
You ready to hit the ocean?
Yes.
Yes. So we're waiting on the sail away party, and we decided to get a light snack. And I have a delicious light cheeseburger with French fries.
I got a grilled chicken
Sandwich with French fries. Just,
with French fries.
just something little to hold us over.
Maybe.
Because we do first dining in about 90 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, and I just
Hour.
couldn't wait. Couldn't wait. So we're gonna eat this real quick and then do sail away party.
Woohoo! We are officially cruising! Yay!
We're sailing away.
That's the best sound.
We are officially sailing out to sea.
Woohoo!
So beautiful. Doesn't get any better than this.
Absolutely amazing.
You still on a 1 to 10 and 20 scale?
Oh, yes. Yes.
I'm about at a 22 now.
22.
dinner. We are running a little late.
A few minutes.
Yeah, we were supposed to be in there about 7 minutes ago, so we're going to dinner at Animator's Pilot, which is on the opposite end of the ship. We're in the forward. We have to go all the way to the aft. But yeah, we're gonna speed walk, maybe even run. Are you tired from running?
No, I'm excited to eat.
Animator's Palette.
Yes.
I got a ahi tuna tower from Enchanted Garden.
Excuse me.
Because he's special.
And the grilled tuna steaks. I'm all tuna tonight.
Fishy.
And what'd you get?
The black truffle pasta and the grilled tuna steak as well. Because I like tuna. It's gonna be yummy.
So excited. Now this ship's kind of vibrating from the engines below us, and we've been up so long. I'm getting a little. How much fun are you having?
Oh, a blast. We had a great dinner.
A great dinner. We took some amazing photos.
Yes. And now we're going to shop.
We're going to go spend some money on our shops. We are so loving this cruise.
Oh my gosh.
Cruise,
It's amazing.
and it's only the first day.
That's right.
That's what's the best part about it.
That's right.
We have like 12 more days of this.
Well,
I'm not gonna go to sleep at all, so I figure I'm gonna stretch out to 12. Yeah.
That's right.
So where we at, baby?
Concierge lounge.
We came up to the concierge lounge, just hanging out, drinking coffee, and this music they got is just.
Taking it all in. I go night
I
night.
tell you what, if you weren't relaxed before you came in here, or with the service team that's in here, and the music and the atmosphere,
Yep.
you'll definitely get relaxed. You're almost a little too relaxed.
Do I look that sleepy?
Yep.
Oof. I have to get up and move around a little bit.
We'll see what happens. It's 8:30. We're debating on what we're doing.
We'll see.
Well, we didn't make it to Shutters. We came back to this amazing
A beautiful
room. This, I never thought I'd even stay in a room like this. So it's just, why leave?
Right?
You know?
You have everything you need here.
So we're just gonna hang out in the room. It's not super late. What is it, about 9:30ish?
Yep. 9:60.
And it's been a busy day. It's a busy travel day yesterday. We're just gonna maybe hang out in the balcony, just maybe watch a little movie or something on the TV, just relax and get ready for tomorrow.
It's gonna be packed today at sea.
Yep.
It's gonna be fun.
So we're gonna just chill out and
Soak it all in.
live in the moments.
That's right.
So till tomorrow.
We'll see you.
See you real soon.
I didn't even know he was in here.
Me neither.
I thought he was a vibe.
Yeah.
Bye.
Love you.